Hello, I'm Katja from Oculyze, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Oculyze Moo. Please wear gloves during the whole process and avoid skin contact with the dye. At first, smear the sample cautiously on the slide. Let the sample air dry for a moment to make sure the dye distributes evenly. Now add a drop of dye right and left. Add a drop of glue accordingly on the left and right edge of the slide. Then place the cover slip on the slide and let it dry for a few seconds. Start by connecting the Moo microscope with your smartphone via USB-C cable. Please make sure that the focus wheel is turned up before you place the slide on the Moo microscope so the lens does not get damaged. Now pull back the stage with the black screws. And place the slide upside down on the stage so that the cover slip faces downwards. You may have to untie the silver screw and press the holder outwards to place the sample correctly. Now move the stage with the slide with the black screws directly under the lens. Fix the slide position cautiously with the silver screw. Make sure it is leveled and not fixed too tightly. Open the app. Log in. First, check the settings. Here you can change the language settings if necessary. If you use the Moo microscope, make sure the setting external camera is turned off. On the landing page, you can choose to either start measurement or check history. Here you can check all your analysis or complete an ongoing measurement. To begin with, we are going to start a new measurement. When microscope and phone are connected, a red light appears. Begin the measurement by clicking Start Measurement. Wait until the message USB device attached appears on the screen. Turn the focus wheel until the first cells appear. Move the stage with the slide to search for cells. Avoid applying too much pressure on the slide, so don't turn the focus wheel down too quickly. Find the optimal focus by turning the focus wheel up and down. Auto exposure is active by default. Uncheck the tick to switch to manual mode. If the cells appear very bright, move the scale on the left or click the symbols to decrease exposure time. A strong contrast between cells and background improves sharpness. Press the picture button. Press keep if you want to use the picture for subsequent analysis. Move the slide to find the next suitable spot for taking the next picture. Click on Continue later in case you don't want to finish the measurement right now. The unfinished measurement can be found in History, Ongoing Measurement. You can continue the measurement at any time. We recommend to count at least 300 cells before finishing the analysis. The number of counted cells appears in the downer right corner. The Finish Analysis button appears on the screen if a sufficient number of cells has been counted. You can now either take more pictures or finish the measurement. Click Finish Analysis. Add the sample description and comments. Click Next Steps. You receive your result within a few seconds. On the left, proportion of polymorph nucleated neutrophils (PMNs) appears. On the right, total number of counted cells is presented. Slide through the images or click on them for review. Click on the Back button to get back to the results page. Please make sure turning up the focus wheel before removing the sample. Thank you for watching this video.